The Elliott wave tool. Elliott asserts that markets have a tendency to move in 5-wave patterns. And for this purpose, we have created the Elliott wave tool to help us outline 5 advancing waves with the 3 retracing waves. To access Elliott wave tool, just click the EW tool up here on the button bar, and you'll notice that if you have the Preferences tab selected, that the preferences for the Elliott wave appear over here in the left-hand window. To draw the Elliott wave, you must draw all 5 waves and the 3 retracement waves. We start at the bottom of the trend and begin with what we call X. We go to the first advancement wave, which is 1. We click the left mouse button. We then go to the first retracement wave, which is our second number. We left click. We go to our third advancement wave. Then we click. We then go to our second retracement wave, which is 4. We then go to our final advancement wave, which is 5. We left click. You'll notice that we have reached the top of the trend, and we are now looking for a ABC retracement. So we come down the trend and establish an A retracement, a B retracement, and then the C retracement. This finalizes the tool, finalizes the drawing, or the identification of an Elliott wave. If during the Elliott wave you don't want to continue drawing the Elliott wave tool any longer, you can come in with the Elliott wave, and I'll give you an example. You can start to draw X, 1, 2, 3. Maybe you went to the wrong button or somewhere, or the wrong location, and decided that you wanted to terminate the drawing of the Elliott wave. To terminate the drawing of the Elliott wave, just simply right-click during the process of drawing the Elliott wave tool, and the Elliott wave tool will disappear. Now, what if the Elliott wave has not completed its process and you want to start, or you want to go halfway through in anticipation of an Elliott wave? If we bring the chart back to a point where the chart has not completed its Elliott wave, we would do an anticipatory placement of the end of the Elliott wave, where we'd come in and we'd go X, 1, 2, 3. At this point, we would then anticipate the next move of the Elliott wave. So we would say possibly 4, 5, A, B, C. This would be where we would anticipate where this market is going to go. As the market moves through the Elliott wave, we would then adjust our points to match where the market is. Additional features can be found by right-clicking on the tool. Send to back means that if you have a tool that is stacked on top of this tool, you can then send that tool to the back, or this tool to the back, so you can access the underlying tool. The properties page, of course, is the page that we have shown over here to the left. We can lock the tool down so that you can't accidentally move it. Then to remove the tool from the screen, you can either hit the delete key on your keyboard, or you can press the delete key from the right-click menu.